Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you tired of having unwanted insects and bugs fly through your open door because you don't have a screen there? Well, there's no need to put up with that any longer. Get yourselves one of these magnetic screen doors that I got from Iduontis. This was a no-brainer to install. It comes with clear directions, and you simply attach the Velcro to the three sides as directed, and then you stick it to your doorway. I went ahead and hung the middle part of it an inch or two higher than the sides, so it'd be easier for the doors to close and stay shut magnetically. We have a kitten that goes in and out of our warehouse, and at first she would just kind of run into the screen and not know what to do, but she quickly figured out that she could go in the middle and get between the doors or just go underneath it, and that's worked really well. I got the one that's made with fiberglass, which has been perfect because my cat does like to claw at it and chew on it, and there's been no damage. We are beyond pleased with how well this has worked for us, and that's our point of view.